Hello guys and welcome to back. This is Ramit Danish from KDR University. Today we talk about static versus non-static. The static method, which means that it can be accessed without creating an object of the class, unlike public, which can only be accessed by objects. When we declare any methods static, we can access without creating the class object of these static methods. If we don't declare these methods static, we access by the creating of object. By default, every method is non-static in the Java. What is the main difference between static and non-static methods in Java? A static method is a method that belongs to a class. Every static method's variables belong to class, but it does not belong to the instance of the class, and this method can be called without the instance or object of that class. When we declare a variable method static, these methods or variables belong to the class. They don't belong to the instance of that class or object of that class. We can access directly these static variables and methods. That is the main difference between static and non-static variables and methods. Non-static method can access any static method and static variables without creating an instance of the objects. We can declare the static methods and static variables by the keyword of static او non-static variableونه او میتودونو ترمنځ توپیر څه دی. هغه کوم وخت چې موږ تاسې یو وریبل یا یو فنکشن په static معرفي کړو، موږ بغیر د کلاس د object جوړولو څخه دغه وریبلونو او فنکشنونو ته لاسرسی درلودلی شو. او فرق یې دغه دی چې دا زموږ ستاسې static وریبلونه او فنکشنونه چې دي دا په کلاس پورې تړاو لري، یعنې په کلاس پورې تړلي دي. دوی په د کلاس په object یا د کلاس په instance باندې نه دي تړلي، یعنې دوی په دغه ټمپلیټ پسې تړلي دي چې زموږ ستاسې کلاس زموږ ستاسې خپل یو ټمپلیټ دی چې دغه د static او non static وریبلونو ترمنځ توپیر و. اوس راځو موږ تاسې نیټ اکلیپس ته او پر دغو باندې لږ عملي کار کوو چې نور هم ښه پوه شو. Let's jump to the Eclipse IDE and practically work on static and non-static variables and methods. I already created a public class A, and we talk now static and non-static variables and methods. That is my static variables because we use the static keyword. After that, I want to declare static methods. That is my static methods, and that is my static variables. Static method. That static methods belongs to the class, not belongs to the instance of this class, and this static variables also belongs to the class, not belong to the object or instance of this class. I declared the main method of this class. We already understand that the static methods and variable doesn't belong to the objects. They belong to the class because we directly access these methods and these static variables. I want to access to the static variables age is we access this static method without object and instance of that class because these static methods belongs to the class, not belongs to the objects. We directly call the display function the static function followed by parentheses. When I run this program, this is our output. Now I check the non-static methods. I can't access these methods directly because this is non-static method. We should be create an object. After creation objects we can access this method. because these methods is a non-static, and non-static methods belongs to the class objects, not belongs to the class. When I use the run, that's a rise in errors because that is not a cannot make a static reference to the non-static method run from the type A. We can't execute this run method because that is a non-static method. We must be create an object of class. After that we use the object and dot syntax. Yes, now we access this run function. When I run this program, I am non-static method because we access by the help of the class object because that is our non-static method.